I clean my lens. Holy hell, my American flag is going crazy. I'm hiding under my little tent here, protecting my boxes. And hell broke loose in I don't know how I heard a thunder and I just heard a large splash. I look behind me, everything's looking perfectly normal. 10 seconds later, I look behind me and then hell broke loose. Finally, this could be. Oh, wow. And it stopped just like that. It just stopped just like that. Alright, great job up there. Oh, now it's coming back. Okay, we're hiding down here. My American flag is going crazy. Jesus. Oh my God. I can't even walk on this side because it's raining like hell over here. It's insane. Jesus Christ. Oh my God, the water's coming in from the little top part. What are my boxes? No, the thing does not. It's mostly covered. Okay, did it stop already? Jesus Christ. Okay. The wind's going crazy. Ow. That's it. It's still raining, but it's not like crazy. Ooh. What's calming down even more? Oh, it's crazy. Let me put my American flag back down. So yeah. Oh. Oh my God. That quickly, the storm came and went. Just poured, went back, poured again. Oh. 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 Passiert! Scheiße! No. I saw the thing hit and exploded. Oh my God. And I caught it on camera too. It was crazy. And I have it at... Which, oh, the when you get orbitaled?
No. Still armory like this?
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. No, but I saw the whole bolt. I don't know if the camera caught it because it was so quick. I just saw the whole thing white, and it was flashed. And I'm like, okay, it just exploded. Oh my God! It struck something. I don't know what it hit, but it raining? No, well it is, but no, it's not raining crazy like it was. I need to check that footage right now. I don't think the camera picked up how loud it was, but it was exploding loud. Oh my God. Hope I got it on camera. I hope I did. Jeez, I'm still trembling. It's not loud. Oh, hope the lightning don't strike me or anything that close to me. Oh, something flashed. I didn't even see where it hit or what was it, but I need to hold my phone just in case. I saw a flash. Okay, it's coming now. Ooh. Yep, we got a really, really, really good thunderstorm. You can hear the thunder echoing because of there's mountains, so it echoes through the entire city of Reno. Reno is a small city. It's world's smallest, biggest city, I think it's called. So it makes sense. I think it's still raining over there since it's either little two downpours. Jesus, that was a loud one. Oof. Now it smells like burnt. It smells like burnt outside. What the hell? It does smell like burnt. Got an electrical storm. I completely stopped raining by now. All those drops in the background are just from the thing. You can check down there. No water drops whatsoever. I'll probably go back inside and see if anything else happens. But I think this might be the end of the storm since it's moving already. It was a good wash. Hopefully it rained where the wildfires are. Extinguish everything once and for all. Alright, I'm gonna go back inside as soon as this video hits around 10 minutes.